All right, we have wrapped it up here. This is the Cultipacker that I got from the DR Power website. It's in the transport mode right now, which you see how the wheels support the whole thing. But to use it, all you do is disconnect it from your hitch and then basically flip it over. Flip the whole thing over. Then the Cultipacker wheels, very sturdy, will then hit the ground, and these rubber tires will come off the ground because it's kind of offset. If that makes sense. See, it's offset right there. The Cultipacker is basically the final step of planting a food plot or grass from scratch or whatever. Whew, I'm a little worn out here. This was quite a task. I planted Bermuda by seed. If you can see those little blue aqua looking seeds, that's Bermuda grass. It seems to do well, and I only get probably 4 to 6 hours of sun out here. Anyway, the Cultipacker leaves this little trail. See these little marks here, which helps the seeds sort of embed into the soil a little bit better. And when you water it, it helps hold in the moisture better, keeps the seeds from blowing away in a breeze or whatever until they germinate. But I am thoroughly pleased with this. Whew, thoroughly pleased. Yeah, I got the Cultipacker on the DR Power website. I already had the seed spreader, this guy here, of course. I got the Bermuda on clearance at Target, for half price. The drag harrow I got on eBay from Titan Implements. Really good stuff. Yeah, I probably could have paid someone to do this, but I bet it would have cost me $1,000 or more, and it wouldn't have been as fun, to try and just pay someone to do it. So I did this myself. Now it's time to start watering it for a few days. It looks good so far, that's all I know, because it used to have, it's too many little bumps and things in it when I was cutting the grass before. It'd be real rough and bumpy. Now it is very smooth. See, the terrain itself is very smooth, sloped. Thoroughly pleased with this so far, so we're going to put the water down and hope for some germination.